what I want to do is kind of just coach you guys on proper flossing technique. So we're going to zoom in here. So a lot of people share that they don't know how to floss, or they have difficulty with getting the floss into their mouth. So what I like to do is you're gonna pinch the floss, a nice long piece of floss, between your thumb and your middle finger. And then you're gonna roll it several times. So now you've got it wrapped probably 3 or 4 times around your middle finger. Now from a dexterity standpoint, I have my thumbs that I can use, and I also have my index fingers, or you can mix it to where you can use your thumbs or index finger. Now the floss is gonna go through the contact, and then we're gonna bend the floss towards the tooth. So we're gonna pop it through, we're gonna bend, we're gonna go up and down several times, then we're gonna bend to the other tooth, and we're gonna go up and down several times. And as you can see here, all of the debris that was stuck to the sides of the tooth is now out.